And now here it is, time for top 6. One woman who got here from a bye, one woman, well, who got here off of upset after upset. This is sure to be quite the interesting matchup here. A top seed versus a bottom seed. This one underway. And Erica Hansen doing what she's been doing the past few matches, but she's getting off to a good start. And it's worked out well for her so far. Fisherman Buster. Now lifting up Yui. Got a vertical suplex style. Yui though able to escape. Shitty little German suplex. Forward to the side of the head. The MMA background of Yui coming into play. She goes into a cover. 1. It's now going into the ground and pound. Just a stomp to the gut following up. Erica though able to escape from the submission attempt. And Erica doing a good job keeping up with the number 1 seed so far. She's had to wrestle a lot more matches. But we see her targeting the arm early on. That has sort of been her bread and butter. Target that arm and make it so that they have to tap out when you lock in that Fujiwara afterwards. Now going into the cover after the half hatchet strikes. Only a 1 count. Trying to put the boots to Erica. Erica having none of it. Now bounces her off the ropes. Forearm. And another one. Now lifting up Yui. Got her flatliner. This has been a precursor to that Fujiwara in the past. Instead, just going for a cover. Trying to pull a fast one. No. Now, Yui gets to her feet. Connects with the knee smash. Triple H style. But Erica now up to her feet, though, gets caught. German suplex. This is not a good start. This is not a good way to be for Erica. She was on fire for a bit, but right now it's Yui Nishimura about to burn her down. Spear! Cover. And Yui not able to put her down with the spear. As Erica still down on the ground. Traps the leg, going up into a crossface. And you see Erica able to grab that bottom rope. But now, different submission hold. This time pulling at the eyes, pulling at the mask of Erica, pulling her away from the rope. And Erica has no choice but to tap. Yui Nishimura with a decisive win. You know, it's got to be said that, you know, Erica Hansen, she put up a hell of a fight, but in the end, just the onslaught from Yui Nishimura was able to put this one to bed very easily. Or I shouldn't say easy, but quicker than the average bear. Saw that spear, and that was just the beginning of the end. It was the spear into the crossface, and then when the rope saved her, she pulled her away from the ropes just enough to get the win. As Yui celebrates her win, making it to winners finals. It's time to see who her joiner. Nikita Ventura versus Liza Horror. Now, for those of you who saw the seeding battle royal for the women's division. These were the final two in that battle royale. And what some would say, the two people that deserved to be the top two seeds, rather than Yui Nishimura, who got a bye, just for things she had done in a previous company. As Nikita pulls Liza up. Liza trying to fire off some shots here. Gets caught though with the boot. DDT to Nikita. As now her red hair, red from the flames of hell where she learned the dangerous moves of Peter England. And Nikita not having any of those dark arts. Instead fighting up to her feet, hip toss, cartwheel, knee strike with the brace on. And now repeatedly using that knee brace as a weapon. Now lifting up Liza. Drops her there. I think that was a gut buster. Kicks her off though because Liza not wanting to give, neither woman honestly wanting to give the other too much time on offense. Both of them, it seems every time one of them gets the advantage, the other person finds a way to get right back in it. And Liza Hora is trying to take Nikita Ventura right back out of it. As she goes to the top. But it goes for the swanton and Nikita gets the knees up. As she's got her up on her shoulders. And a go to sleep with the knee brace. That could break a nose, an orbital bone, your jaw maybe if you weren't careful. Now, just been seeing all in the past few minutes, Nikita's just been using that brace to absolute perfection as a weapon here against Liza. Liza now not having any of it. Trying to line up the shot against Nikita. Drop kick misses. Now, what you got right here, dropping the knee on the hand. Saw Nikita able to get out of the way of that drop kick at the very last second. Now though, able to dodge that as well, that enziguri. Clothesline connects. You see Nikita keeping that wrist control, stepping through on the clotheslines. And again, targeting the arm, this time using that brace. Now goes around, backstabber. Cover. Off that backstabber. No. As now Nikita helps Liza to her feet. Not able to get the kick she wanted, and now getting lit up with strikes. And now what the hell's Nikita got in mind here? Locking her up, Tarantula style. Wrenching back on the arms. Just boots her down to the ground. Long live the king. And Nikita has been in control of a good portion of this round. Now on the outside. Not just go for a pile driver, instead almost a style splash. Now, Liza with the punch to the gut on Nikita. Nikita able to escape. Neither woman able to really get any kind of advantage. go, keeping that time to catch her breath. Sees Liza getting to her feet, goes out to join her. Liza making her pay for it. Liza waits for Nikita in the ring, catches her with her right hand, just right to the forehead. Again, going back to those wicked dark arts. Double knees to the back by Liza. Liza's starting to get her way back into this thing after Nikita's had a very good amount of control so far in this matchup. Double lariat, sweeps out the leg. Johnny into the cover. Showtime referee was in perfect position. Saw the shoulder come up, just two. Liza went for the kick. Nikita caught it. Lifting up Liza, could be looking for the edge here. Twists around, backstabber. Cover after a second one. Still no. Nikita, you saw her looking at that ref. Shocked it wasn't a 3. This could do it though. Liza slips out behind. High kick into the scorpion kick. Got her locked up. Taste of horror. And that should do it. No! Nikita able to kick out. Now lining up the shot once again, this time trying to hit it for all the marbles. Boots of horror. And she's going for more. She isn't satisfied with just the boots. She wants to give her a full taste of horror. Hooks the outside leg. New Japan finish. Liza Horror moves on to winners finals to face Yui Nishimura. And we'll see Nikita later tonight in our final match against Angela Terry. But right now, what a performance from Liza. So far in this tournament, beating local Laura by dubious circumstances, sure. Still got the job done. Beat Cal Valen. Beat Nikita Ventura. And now it's her versus the number 1 seed, Yui Nishimura, to see who's the true number 1 seed. The woman who got the bye or the woman who won the Battle Royal. As Liza Horror celebrates, she knows she is just a win or two away from greatness, from history. Now we move on to our first losers bracket matchup of the night. First of two. Erica Enhancement, we saw her lose to Yui Nishimura earlier, going up against Cal Valen. And Cal Valen coming off of a win in losers bracket back in top 8 against Alexis Smith. Erica Enhancement coming fresh off of a loss. You've got to feel a lot to prove right now. You know, there's a chance here she goes for the Fujiwara. If Erica Enhancement wins this match and Angela Terry wins her match, we get a round 1 match, rematch from top 8 here for top 4. Cal goes to lift up Erica hits the lowercase AA. And now again targeting the arm, and this is smart. Not only does targeting the arm weaken Cal for that armbar, that Fujiwara she's won many a match with, it also helps get rid of the lance, which is one of her deadliest arsenals. Cal not looking too hot right now. Gets the sling blade. Shades of Tanahashi. As Cal goes up top. Elbow drop. Soaring through the sky. But not enough, just two. Cal just going into the ground and pound right now. Called it a Cinderella story for Erica Enhancement that she got this far. I get the feeling though, if Cal Valen keeps having her way, it could very well be midnight soon. Half and half dumps her on her head. Well, she connects with that inverted brainbuster, and now killer clutch locked in. We saw her beat Daphne dangerously with this. And it looks like Erica Enhancement will also fall. Cal Valen's in top 4. As Cal with a dominant performance here. She's showing why they call her the killer. Yes, she lost to Liza Horror, but ever since then, she has been running through losers. Beat Alexa Smith, beat Erica. Now she sits in top 4, waiting to see who is next. And as Cal takes a moment to take a victory lap, you've got a feel for Erica Enhancement. A hell of a run through bracket, but it ends here. Nothing to be ashamed of, though, with that run. But now it's time to see who joins her in the top 4. Nikita Ventura or Angela Terry. Angela Terry with a lot to prove after losing to Erica Enhancement Talent. Nikita Ventura wanting another shot at Liza Horror, either through losers or winners. Gotta feel she was so close. If she had hit those mighty knees, it would have been all over. But right now, she needs to not worry about Liza. She needs to worry, Jesus, about Angela Terry, and Angela showing her why. As Angela runs off the ropes. Big splash, no one home. It's now Nikita. Chop to the chest. What she got in mind here? Cartwheel, double knees. Almost a variation of the mighty knees. Not going for a pin after it. It's now a chop to the back. Irish whip sends her into the corner. The form, though, catches Nikita off guard, and this is Angela Terry's chance to fight back into this thing. Nikita catches her, swinging wildly, and just tosses her to the ground. You'd think Angela has the power advantage, but Nikita showing she came to play. Sweep the leg Johnny, though, from Angela. Running splash! Going for it again. This time, though, able to escape is Nikita. Goes behind, and a front and behind head scissors. Nikita lifts Angela up. And we've seen her use this before. Backstabber to Angela.
1, 2.
Now dropping the knee on Angela. repeatedly. Angela had not really had too much of a chance to get into this match. She had a great opening fire, but since then it's almost been all Nikita. As now though, got him up, TKO, and that just swung balance right back in Angela's favor. Hooks that outside leg, but Nikita still kicks out. Lifting her up, swing out slam, puts her down, but Nikita shoots that shoulder up off the mat. We saw that slam put away Hikari Torita. Not enough just yet to put away Nikita Ventura. Nikita got her set up, mighty knees right to the back of the head. Is that it? No, Angela able to kick out. Nikita again, going back to using that brace as a weapon, getting desperate perhaps. She lifts up Angela. Gutbuster once more. And Nikita just in firm control right now. Angela though, commentator's curse right back, going for the Maggie Mouse trap. Angela finding the way to block it. Angela goes for the STO, not able to get it. Dragon suplex! Kicks the leg out of her leg. And now targeting those legs with some knee strikes right to the hamstring. Now lifting up Angela. Kick to the gut. Sends her into the corner. Got her in the high vent district. Couple of slaps. Knocking her down. Goes for a lariat. Nikita able to sidestep. Now, Angela got her up. TKO. Covers her. Oh, not just yet. Now. Angela at the one point, Nikita in the corner, goes to grab her, almost maybe for looking for a goozle, instead gets caught with a mighty choke slam. Now, mighty mouse trap. And that might have just punched Nikita's ticket right into top 4 against Kel Allen. Not just yet, and you're seeing Nikita looking at bow tie ref again in disbelief. Looking for a second. Mighty knees to the back of the head. Connects. And that time, Nikita gets it done. Give it up for Angela Terry. She fought to the bitter end, but Nikita Ventura refused to be denied her spot in top 4. And next time, we're going to see Nikita Ventura versus Kel Allen. We're going to see Liza Horror versus Yui Nishimura, and one of those 4 women will be the first female winner of a WWC tournament. Nikita Ventura, Kel Allen, Yui Nishimura, Liza Horror. You do not want to miss it. Thank you all for watching. I have been your hostess, bidding you a very farewell adieu.